Earlier today, Governor Maura Healey attended a roundtable discussion on the impact high housing costs can have on public health.
And among those healthcare leaders speaking out was the president and CEO of Cooley Dickinson Hospital in Northampton. Western Mass News reporter Matt Price is live in studio with more details. And Matt, what can you share?
Well, Abby and Chris, this was a discussion hosted by Boston Medical Center and had experts on this matter who talked about not only that particular issue, but also the challenges healthcare facilities, including hospitals, face when it comes to retaining the talented workforce that can provide this health care. This is all part of the pitch in support of the Healey administration's $4 billion plan known as the Affordable Homes Act, which was filed by the governor last fall. The main point is the high cost of housing in the state has to be addressed in order to recruit and retain the workforce, which contains researchers, medical providers, and researchers among those sharing insights. Among those sharing insights today was Cooley Dickinson Hospital's president and CEO, Dr. Lynette Watkins, who told a personal story about how the biggest barrier to keeping the workforce is housing.
We are a rural community that really relies on transportation and aged housing stock. We have about 30% of our houses that are before 1950s are old, and they need to be refitted. And in Franklin County, it's even higher. It's about 40%. We have to take that into consideration because instability in housing means instability in healthcare, instability in food access, which contributes to all of the things that we take care of in our acute care facilities and beyond.
After listening to everyone who was seated at the table, Governor Healey made very clear the way to help solve this issue is by working together as a Commonwealth.
We know the moment we're in right now, and we've got to make, as a state, some important decisions. But these are investments. I know we can do it. But we've got to help those who actually have decision-making power, particularly at the local level, understand.
If the Affordable Homes Act were to pass, more than $1 billion would be used to rehabilitate the state's public housing stock and produce tens of thousands of units of new affordable housing across the Bay State. Reporting live in the studio, Matt Price, Western Mass News.
Matt.